Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve website speed by compressing images using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your website loads slowly because of large image files, this guide will help you optimize them step by step. First, check which images on your website have large file sizes. Oversized images are one of the biggest reasons websites load slowly. Next, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. So this free tool can compress PNG and JPG images automatically. Now drag and drop your website images into TinyPNG. The tool will instantly start reducing file sizes while keeping image quality clear. So after compression finishes, download the optimized files to your PC. These smaller images are better for fast-loading websites. Next, upload the optimized images to your website and replace the old versions. This helps pages load faster for visitors. Finally, reload your website and test the speed again. So, compressed images usually improve page load time and overall performance. And that's how to improve website speed by compressing images using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you optimize your images properly, your website loads faster and gives visitors a better experience. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more website optimization tutorials.